If you want to download iOS launcher on Poco C85, first of all you have to start by opening the Google Play Store, and I can recommend you this application, the Launcher iOS 26. This is the icon of this, and you have to just open this one, wait for loading screen, it will take around a few moments, accept these permissions just one by one for everything. And now, as you can see, when we are here, we can click outside and we have to go to the settings right now. Now go to the applications. Then we have to click on these three dots in the right upper corner and select other settings. Then you will have to navigate for default apps and go to the launcher and make sure that you have switched to the iOS launcher. Now we can go back from this one. As you can see, we have to click OK on this button, click that we've got it. And now as you can see, we got the iOS launcher on our Poco C85. Of course, you can still find old quick settings, but if you go back to this iOS launcher, you are also able to add the control center. So you have to download the separate application to use this, and you can actually customize it up to your preferences. You can even turn on the liquid glass. Let's check if it works. There we go. As you can see, we got the liquid glass on the Poco C85. I hope you find this video useful.